What's up, guys? Jakey from Team Boardwipe. I saw these and I'm kind of nostalgic for these old packs. I'm not sure when this came out. I think it was like 2010. I'm not really sure. And I also bought two Legendary Duelists, a Spirit Warriors, and a Circuit Break. Just as a little extra. I was hoping to get one of the those mystery boxes. They were all out, unfortunately. So I'm going to start with these packs. I don't really know what's in this Legendary Duelist pack, to be honest, because I have not gotten any. And we got this Bonding Village, Expressroid, Hydrogadon. I guess there's not always supers in there. And then Cyber Dark card. Let's go to the other one. In this one we have a Wonder Balloons, an Amazon Swordswoman, a Water Dragon, Armoroid, and something. I can't read it, but C something attack. So I don't know if there's any money cards on that or not. But so the next one we have Spirit Warriors. I know the Weatherly cards are in here, and the 6 Sam cards. So we have a 6 Sam United, Magical Musketeer, a Weatherly Snowy Canvas, a Magical Musketeer Desperado, and a Secret Skill of the 6 Samurai. These cards are kind of warped too, so that's unfortunate. And then for the last of these packs, we have a Circuit Break. Let me set that right here quick. And we have a Crawler card, and a Self-Destruct Ant, World Legacy thing, Quiet Life, Backup Squad, and then just some commons. So nothing really too much from those packs. Let's hope these are a little better. These come with the old original, I think, for 5 or 6 packs, as well as this kind of crappy game board and some promos. So you have Dark Crisis, Metal Raiders, Feral Servant, Legend of Blue Eyes, Invasion of Chaos, and Spell Ruler. And there is a old, this crappy cardboard. Listen to that. Gross. Okay, so I'll go in order. So I'll start with this LOB pack. So see what we can get from here. I'm not going to read all the card names. I'm reading upside down. Let's see if we get a... So we got a Metal Dragon. And then that's it. Okay, I think the next set was... I think this comes out here. I'm not sure. I think this is the order. So this is Spell Ruler. So it is... this was originally Magic Ruler, in fact. But they had to change it because Magic had a trademark. Ooh, Upstart Goblin. That's good. Mirror Shield, Nimble Manga. It's pretty decent. You know, Metal Raiders might have been the second set. I didn't play back then really, so I'm not really sure what set is which. This guy, Stone Dweller, and a Little Chimera. So this card's getting remade in the next set coming out, and then Trent, one of the best cards in the game. And Dream Clown, still Feral Servant, Harpy's Brother. This is now Sky Scout because it's not a Harpy card anymore. Completed, Grave Robber. So we got a super. Oh, there was a rare in here too. I didn't realize these could have rares as well as supers. Enchanted Javelin, Spikebot, Armored Glass, and a Flying Comic Courier number 2. And then Dark Crisis. Let's see what we got. This card was actually played for a while. Ooh, Exodian Necros. That's actually a pretty good card to get. This Dimension, Zolga, Fountain Pack Orders, Surf in the Dark, and a Dark Scorpion. So that's really good. We kind of wish we would get an Ultra Rare in this IOC pack, so you can see what we get in here. But first, actually, I'm going to open this promo pack. These are kind of pretty cool. You get the 3 Egyptian God cards. They're not playable versions, but overall, this is pretty cool, especially for collecting purposes. And you get the tablet arts of Blue Eyes and Dark Magician, as well as the Red Eyes. So these are all pretty cool. I'm glad. I actually don't have any of these, so I'm glad to have one. And then this IOC pack. Oh, Sacred Crane. I love this card. I love in Cube too. This capsule. This. What's this card called? Chaser Rider Gustav. I didn't know that existed. Robin Zombie. A Hero Emerges. Begone Nave. Heart of the Underdog. And a Grenmaju. This card actually played at the YCS, so it's kind of funny. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully I can do some more pack openings. I want to start uploading a little more regularly. Brian's hoping to start streaming too. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and have a great day.